Hey everyone, do you want to go ahead and show off, give you a sneak peek? I'm meeting a photographer over here, just had the drone guy, and want to do a virtual open house of our new coming soon listing. It's at 811 South Center, right off of South 1st Street, minutes from downtown. You got Summer Moon down the street, you got Fresas. The trees out here are phenomenal. There's a park right across the street here that has some 200-year-old live oaks. A lot of really cool modern builds on this whole street. Just want to give you a sneak peek while I'm waiting on the photographer so you can see what the rest of the house looks like. So 2-car garage, modern finish out. This is that 100-year-old live oak that I was talking about. Tons of shade and tree coverage. Real private street, hardly any traffic coming down here. You have the cedar garage doors. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Great thing about it, has a master down, a huge living space, and entertaining space down. And then it has, a media room, an office, and 2 bedrooms upstairs. So close to downtown, but a huge house, which you hardly see in 78704. All right, let's go on inside and see what it looks like. Love this modern door right here. Take my shoes off. So you have the wood look tile throughout, which is great, durable, and great for kids and easy cleaning. High ceilings. Here is your living room. Like I said, you have a dining room right there. Right behind the dining room is your outdoor entertaining space. And check out this kitchen island. This island is phenomenal. So, kitchen island. Tons of under cabinet mounting lights, stainless steel appliances. You have a half bath right there. Full size laundry room. Look at the appliances. You have KitchenAid packaged throughout. Under the cabinet lighting, you actually have the glass door cabinets with some lights in there also. Here is your full-size laundry room with the sink, and then you have an on-demand water heater, which is great. There's the controls for the water heater. Tons of cabinet space and storage. Here's your master, so it's a huge master. The master has its own patio door, so you have a little entertaining space right off the master bedroom. Let's check out the master spa. Again, I really love all these touches and unique stuff with the under the cabinet lighting. Huge walk-in shower and a large closet. Let's go ahead and check out the patio off of the master. Great little screening just for shade. Here's your green space, and there's a playscape back here, and then you have a backyard and 2 side yards with a little dog run. All right, let's go on upstairs. So back to the gourmet kitchen. Like I said, look at all of the cabinets, which is great. I love this little wall of windows. I feel like you're in a park. Just with these live oaks and all the greenery and privacy. Huge sliding glass door. That's the other entrance to your patio. And let's go upstairs. So it's just under 2,400 square feet. You have 2.5 baths. You have a full bath downstairs. You have a half bath downstairs for your guests. And then you have a bathroom for the 2 guest rooms. Now this is great. This is the media room that I was talking about. And this has a really nice balcony so you can enjoy the view. Media room, high ceilings, tons of lighting. Here is your balcony patio. And look at these trees. I mean, this is pretty amazing to get a new build, but in old 78704 Austin. You just can't get 100-year-old live oaks like that in other communities. Upstairs media. Here is your full bath. Check out this bath. Unreal cabinet lighting, silestone countertops, modern European louvs, rain shower heads. I mean, just really a huge bathroom. Tons of storage here. You have a little craft closet. This, believe it or not, is a second bedroom. It almost feels like it's the size of a master bedroom. Look how large this bedroom is, and it still goes around here. Walk-in closet. Just, I mean, tons of storage, high ceilings, 5-panel doors. This really is an awesome house. Here is your third bedroom. Well, thanks for taking the tour. I'm going to meet the photographer here for the professional photos in about 5 minutes. But before I do, I just want to show you this awesome gem in 78704. It's at about 3 minutes from downtown. You actually, from the drone shots, you got a little skyline from the house. And really just fun, functional floor plan. Have a great day. Private message me if you have any questions.